Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for October 15th to 27th. Just a quick note. Here's a look at Leslie. It's a hurricane again out here in the far eastern Atlantic. And then as we zoom out, here we move it. This is what's left of Michael over the North Atlantic. Wait for it to load the images. As it moves out. Okay, now we're going to get to the forecast. Okay, we're going to look at the forecast for October 15th to the 19th. Here is what we're expecting. We have our ridge here and a trough across much of the nation. And we have our trough or our subtropical trough over the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico. Temperatures will be below normal across much of the Central Plains with anomalies greater than 25 degrees below normal. Temperatures will moderate early next week across the Northern Plains, and that'll come as this ridge starts to build inland. Further east, temperatures will be less extreme. Heavy rain is forecast from Texas northeastward as an upper low behind the feature of remnants of Sergio meanders eastward through the Four Corners region, and a moisture from the western Gulf flows northward. The rain will extend to the mid-Atlantic but be lessened. October 18th to 22nd. Here we are at the 18th. Our ridge here. Oops, got to go back. Here we are at the 18th. You can see our ridge over Alaska into the northwest. And here's our trough here. Little bit of an upper low here with a split flow here in the west. And here's a subtropical ridge. Miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and for a portion of the southeast for this region. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal, above normal, And then we have above normal temperatures forecast for much of this region here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this area here. And the probability of occurrence is up to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation for the southeast. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And now we look at the period for October 23rd to 27th. Oops. Here at the 23rd, this ridge continues to build eastward. We have our ridge here from the West Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico. And then we have our trough here over eastern Canada and the northeast that will gradually be lifting out. It'll be slow lift out. You can see it. This is GFS. Then we look at its ensembles, European anomalies. Builds the ridge more to the east, and then we look at the NAEFS. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal, and then we still have below normal temperatures. I think this might be a little overdone. I would say that the below normal temperatures might be east of this line. More so, and I'm forecasting anomalies about 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, I'm calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation for the southern plains. This is mismarked. Probability of occurrence is 35%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for October 15th to the 27th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.